Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called Lookup. So what's the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first we would like to go for as network discovery. So just open the terminal. We just write here as a sudo su and enter our password. Then you just type it as net discover minus I as it's 0. That's it. Now let's wait for the network discovery here. So it's take a little bit lengthy time process to get here. So I have got like my network discovery is this one 192.168.18.31. Now let's just try to put here. Now just type it as nmap minus 34 minus a as an aggressive scan and enter our target IP address 192.168.18.31. Now let's wait for the nmap result. Once we got the nmap results, then we would like to try to look it out here. Now first of all, try to open the new terminal. In this case, we would like to wait for it. This as a nmap result. So we have got like a nmap results. One is available with SH, another one is available with the domain, like a Euro device. I think it's must and should be Euro device DNS ID. And port 80 is like we would like to try to see here Apache HTTPD. Now we would like to try to visit the port 80 where we have here. Now we have came back here. Now just enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.31. It's look like as a coming soon. This website is under construction. It's quite interesting here. We would like to try to look it out here as pesos. In the pesos we not get anything else, so it's like a quite easy way. Now we would like to try to utilize. First we would like to try to go with as directory buster. Try to copy, come back, go back here as directory buster. Then let's try to paste it here. With the directory busters, what we are going to be getting out here, we have got it like index.html and server status. That's it. Apart from that, if you go for index.html, it's the same thing like coming soon. That's it. Now, we have a targeted domain address is like 53. Now we can try to look it out here as a we would like to type here as clear. Now we would like to look here as ns lookup. Then uh, enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.31. Server cannot find as name servers. Okay. Otherwise, we would like to try to put it out the same thing 192.168.18.31. So I have got it like a somewhat like a useful information name server 1 with the Silvertech NYX. So quite interesting. So we have got it this as etc thing. So with this case, what we would like to do here is I would like to try to go for as digging with the targeted domain IP address 192.168.18.31. Then we have got it like here as a Silvertech NYX. We would like to close this and remove these name servers before and XFR. We would like to try to look it out here. So we have got it like A, B, C, etc things. We have got like a multiple usernames and etc things. So quite interesting here. We have got it here. Now, we have look like here as name server 1 as admin like a silver tech.nyx. Quite interesting. And ABMPJR. Yes. So I would like to do one thing. I just put like as dig. Let's just put like here. Let me just type here as dig at the rate 192.168. AFXR. Now just type here as grep. I would like to get like a txt records. Then grep minus output file like let's just put it here as star. Then let's just close this. I just need to be put here and close this. And tdr, we just need to be get it out here as tdr. Then now let's just put here as I would like to try to cut minus the domain name and at the rate also. Then minus f1 t user.txt. So we have got it like all the users.txt here. Quite interesting here. Now just type here as cat a user.txt. Yes, we have got like user.txt. Quite interesting here. We have got like a user.txt. So we would like to utilize only this one. Either if we would like to try to go for here as list minus a user share word list rocky.txt. Okay, so this is available. Now we just need to be utilized here as sudo gunjip. Just try to paste it. So if you try with rocky.txt, it's not going to be working out because this take more and lengthy time process and wasting a much time. So better in this case, so we would like to try to utilize only this one here. Now let's I would like to utilize here as NetEx AC minus L. So let's we would like to utilize like cracking like NetExecs. Quite interesting here as NetExecs. I would like to utilize here as for SSH for cracking the SSH passwords. Quite interesting here. Now we would like to try to go back here as we would like to try to here as a exit. Now we would like to try here as clear net exec. Now you are going to be utilizing as SSH. Enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.31. Then user as a user.txt, password as a user.txt, the same thing. So you don't need to be mess up anything else here. Let's we would like to try to wait for it. Let's try to go for a cracking the passwords with multiple things here. Either if you want you can shuffle it this one with multiple things. That's also going to be work out. So we have got like a PWN here. Quite interesting here. So now you would like to try to connect now as a SSH. We would like to try to go back here as try to connect this SSH. Now let's come back here. Now we would like to try to connect like going with SSH, and what is the username is mbelly. mbelly at the rate 192.168.18.31. That's it here. And it just type yes, and it's going to be asking the password, and this is the password is B Clark. Just try to copy, come back, try to paste it. So we have successfully logged in here. Quite interesting here. Now just type here as a ID. We have got it like bell. Let me make it like a little bit big. Now just type here as a list minus air. Now we can see here cat a user.txt. We have got it like a user.txt file. Now we would like to try to go for as a privilege escalation. So we just type here as sudo minus l. We have got like a NSENTER. Let's we would like to try to utilize here as GTFO bins. So let's we would like to try to go for as GTFO bins. Come back. Uh, what we would like to try to look it out here. I think like a filter NSE STR. Let's we would like to try to look it out here. Uh, so this is like as simple as it is. Uh, like let's we would like to try to look it out here. So we would like to try to copy this one. Just try to copy. Now there is like a no password. Now I would like to utilize here as sudo minus u. I need to go for as a root right now. Okay. Then let's we would like to go for as user bin NSENTR. Sorry. Then let's we just try to paste here. That's it. Bin and bash. That's it. So I have kept as a root. You can see here who am I? Who am I? I'm in the root. cd as a root. Less minus a cat a root.txt. That's it. We have read the root flag and user flag. That's it. So we have successfully completed this task. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling. Have a great day.